everyone, welcome to the topic of sewing costumes. This is going to be a fun month. We're going to get to dabble in a lot of different techniques and different types of fabric sewing while attempting to make different types of costumes. So the basis for this class is going to be the use of a basic t-shirt, leggings, a simple tank top. Those types of patterns we'll use as the basis to create a variety of costumes. These costumes can be used for Halloween, they can be used for just dress up and play. If you want to create a princess, or a kitty cat, maybe a tiger, a unicorn, a pirate, a dinosaur, there are so many little things that we can do to create costumes with these basic patterns and just adding simple embellishments. So each week as we go through this topic, I'm going to create several tutorials for different add-ons, and the only part that will change is the base or the color of the clothing pieces that go under the costume. So one week you might be making a kitty cat and you can use all black t-shirt and leggings, or we'll be working on a princess costume and we're starting with a pink tank top. The variety of things that you can do can change depending on the color scheme that you want to work with and the type of animal or character that you want to create. So I'm really excited to jump in. I love this kind of topic because this is generally how my head works. I see things and my mind starts spinning, and I know I have the tools in front of me to create what I want to create. I don't necessarily have to buy something new. It's just a little bit of pattern hacking or combining patterns, and you can get the look that you want. So it'd be really fun to jump in and have you follow along the different processes that I use to create these types of costumes. All right, so let's jump in and get started.